Don't you
Yeah,
think that?
this is actually a consolidation of shipping lines. Two shipping lines came together and they matched each other in the sense. Last year the total number of passengers was 63,000. This year the total number of passengers and crew both will be 64,000. There is no drop. But normally what will happen, every ship comes, there will be only 70% occupancy or 60% occupancy. Now the two lines, they are having an arrangement so that it will be 100% occupancy. So even though the number of vessels have come down, the occupation level in the every ship is about 2,000 passengers. So it will be in the 90-95% occupation. Earlier, it has to come with a 60%, 50% occupancy. So there is no reduction in the number of tourists here. Secondly, as a Ministry of Shipping has taken a common policy that we wanted to charge the similar rate across all the ports. Mumbai to Goa, Goa, Mumbai, domestic cruise also when we started mostly in the mid-December. The vessel is getting ready at Mumbai. So it will be, they are pricing at around 7,000 rupees overnight. Evening they will start by 5 p.m.